In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your design using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just beginning your creative journey, knowing how to properly save your work is crucial. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through saving your Canva designs with ease and efficiency. Let's dive right in. First, open the existing design you wish to save on Canva. Once you have it loaded on your screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here you'll find the Share button. Click this button and a drop-down menu will appear, unveiling various options. Don't worry, I'll guide you through which one to select next. With the drop-down visible, look for the download option. This will typically be one of the top options within the menu provided. Clicking download will open a new dialog box where you can customize how you want to save your file. Now this step is particularly important if you're considering sharing your designs across different platforms or want them in a specific format. You will see a section in the dialog box that allows you to change the file type. Canva supports a variety of formats such as PNG, JPEG, PDF and more. You simply need to select the one that best suits your needs. For instance, PNG is great for high quality images, while PDFs are excellent for documents you wish to print. Once you've decided that's your preferred format sorted. Next, once you've selected your desired file type, you might want to consider whether there are any other options you might need to adjust. For example, if your design includes multiple pages and you only wish to download a specific one, you have the option to customize the exact pages you want to download. This feature ensures you're only downloading what you need, which can be a real time saver. Now that your file type and pages are set, it's time to proceed with saving. Go ahead and click that download button. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this may take a few moments, but rest assured your file is being prepared to be saved onto your device. Once the download is complete, check your designated download folder to ensure it's there, and voila! You have successfully saved your design from Canva. Take a moment to congratulate yourself on completing this essential task. Saving designs efficiently ensures you have quick access whenever you need them. If you're polishing your design skills, getting into the habit of saving your work properly is invaluable. I hope this step-by-step tutorial has been helpful, and don't hesitate to revisit these instructions whenever you need a quick refresher. Thank you for watching and happy designing.